Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Imagine having your emails open on one screen while working on a document on the other, or editing a video with all your tools visible at once. With the ultimate dual monitor setup, you can streamline your workflow and keep everything within view. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best dual monitor for laptop on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video. Number 1.
You have just one screen or a second monitor, but you still need some extra space for all your apps and tools? Well, let me introduce you to the UPerfect Delta, the world's first folding portable dual monitor that will solve all your problems. There are endless adjustment possibilities, as well as enough space for all your open windows. You can even share your screen with your colleagues, multitasking by using 2 different devices at once to watch videos and playing games at the same time. To stay focused during your business meetings, keep your notes in one view. It is lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere. Let's take a closer look at some of the portable Delta's key features. It is designed to be used as a dual-screen folding workstation that can be configured in multiple number of ways. Delta features 2 15.6-inch displays with 1080p resolution, 60Hz refresh rate, IPS technology and 100% sRGB color gamut for clear visuals. Delta can be folded 360 degrees into a triangle configuration, which can be adjusted freely. So you can share your external monitor with your friends while using 2 separate devices. The built-in stand allows you to adjust the viewer's angle for optimal comfort. All this is contained within a slim 22mm aluminum design that weighs just 1.5 kilograms, making it lightweight and portable. Delta can even be mounted using the VESA mount on other monitor stands. For screen sharing, the Delta has 2 full-featured USB Type-C and 2 mini HDMI ports. It also supports one USB Type-C connection. You can set up a workbench with either a laptop or a desktop connected to each other, or you can use 2 separate devices simultaneously. Minimalistic gap between screens enhances dual screen experience and improves productivity. A business person can view everything on 2 extra screens while programming, trading stocks or having a Zoom meeting. A graphic designer, architect or 3D designer has more space for tools and programs. Content creators, video editors, YouTubers who need plenty of space for their open windows will benefit from Delta. Also, don't forget the joy of watching videos and playing games with your Nintendo Switch combined with using your smartphone simultaneously. This makes the Delta an ideal multitasking hero. We are also excited to inform you that the latest Delta update can now be connected with only one USB Type-C cable to run smoothly. The cable mess is over. So what are you waiting for? UPerfect will bring the foldable Delta to life to enhance your productivity. Get the best deal by pre-ordering it now on Kickstarter.
Number 2. Number 3. Number Number 5.